Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Online Marble, and this is the English channel of Marble Flooring Jitendra Sharma, and this channel is managed by Marble Flooring Jitendra Sharma. In this video, I'm going to give you a complete home tour and a complete home walkover of this house, and I'm going to give information and the price, everything in this video. Now let us start with this entrance. This is the entrance and this is the wall elevation tiles. As you can see, these are the tiles, wall elevation tiles, and the price of this in the Indian market is around 25 rupees per feet. And this is the granite, this is the Rajasthan black granite, and the white one you're seeing is the P white. This is the P white granite and Rajasthan black granite. So the center is the P white and the border is done in Rajasthan black granite. Now let us talk about the price of P white granite. The price of P white granite is around 50 to 60 rupees per feet in Indian market, in the Indian wholesale market, and the price of Rajasthan black granite is around 60 to 80 to 90 rupees in the wholesale market in the Rajasthan. Now have a look how this staircase will look in your house. This is a very great and very famous combination of Rajasthan, that is the P white and R black granite. This is the skirting is done in P white, and this is the design, double molding is done, and in the center the border is given in P white. You can have a look. See this is the design. Now let me show you the full complete view from upwards. So again here the same design is done. P white is used and Rajasthan black granite is used. You can have a look, like if you are making a house, how this granite will look in your house. You can have an idea from this video. Now let me show you the look from upwards. When you go downwards, this will be the look of your staircase. I'll also go inside the house and show you. Now let us go inside the house. Now this is the Indian onyx marble, and this is the Bidasar border. Bidasar border is done, and this is the Indian onyx marble. The price of Indian onyx marble is around 25 rupees per square feet. As you can have a look, the border is given in Bidasar, and you can see how this looks. It looks really beautiful, and this is the door design. So guys, now let us talk about the price of Indian onyx marble is around 25 rupees. This is the hall. This is the hall design, and let me take you inside the room. And this is again the Bidasar, green Bidasar, and onyx marble is used. As you can see how beautiful it looks. This is the diamond design. If you're making something, if you're trying to have a great design, you can take an idea from this video. And this is the Rajasthan black granite. This is the door frame. Door frame is done in granite. Now let me take you to the master bedroom. No, not a master bedroom. Let me take you to the bedroom. This is the bedroom, and in this Indian cheap marble is installed. This is Indian cheap marble. The marble price is around 20 rupees, and you can see border is given in Rajasthan black granite, and this is Lakha red. This is Lakha red. This is skirting is again done in the Indian cheap marble. Now let me show you a wash basin design. This is a wash basin design. Tiles are installed in this. The tiles price is around same 25 rupees per square feet. And this is the wash basin, and down you can see this is the Rajasthan black granite. This is made in one corner, so you can have a look if you want to have a wash basin that's in one corner, and you can give such designs to it. This is not actually a painting. This is tiles. You can buy these tiles from the Indian market, and the price of these tiles would be around, the whole thing would come around 1200 rupees to 1500 rupees. The border is given in again Rajasthan black granite. So this is not a painting. This is tiles that are applied on the walls. As you can see, this is the puja room entrance, and also the entrance for kitchen and a bedroom. So this is the master bedroom, and small designs are given in this, as you can see in the video. This is the window design, and this is the flooring design, and this is the view from inside the house. As you can see how beautiful it's looking. Now let me take you to the bathroom design. This is the bathroom. This is the bathroom, and tiles are used in this. 10 tiles are used in this, marble tiles, and the price of this would be around 25 rupees, and the size of the tiles is 1 by 1 feet. You can have a look if you want to install such things in your house, how it look. It gives the house a very beautiful look. As you can see, these tiles are giving the bathroom a very beautiful and premium look. The price is around 25 rupees, and this is the shelf that is done in marble. And when you do shelves in marble, and even you can install a glass siding, and this is if you install in marble, the life of this would be very long. And have a look on the windows design. This is the window design, and you should take care that when you install windows, the light of the house should be proper. The lighting of the house should be proper. Now let me show you the kitchen. This is the kitchen design. This is again bidasar, and again onyx marbles are used in this. As you can see, kitchen also looks beautiful, and this is tiles are installed in this. The wholesale price of this tiles is same, around 25 rupees per feet, and this design is done. You can have a look. This is the kitchen design. This is also done in granite and marble tiles. Everything is used, a mixture of everything is used. This is the door. The price of the door is around 3000 to 5000 rupees. As you can see, have an idea, like if you install tiles, this would be the look. And this is the wash basin, and this is the shelf. You can have marble shelf, you can design such shelves, and they would give a very good look and a very long and they won't even spoil in a long run. So thank you guys, hope you like my video. Do like and subscribe to my channel. Hope to see you all in my next video. Thank you.